Welcome to the new series of my Gujarat episodes, where I am on an unforgettable 9-day motorcycle ride across the vibrant state of Gujarat, from a dream come ferry ride across the sea to the salt deserts and to the international borders, learning new lessons in life. How I learned the importance of food, meeting new people, visiting ancient temples, and to the world's tallest statue, covering a total distance of 4,000 kilometers solo. This journey is packed with stories and adventures. If you have slipped any of these stories, do watch it in the playlist tag on the screen now. As my previous episodes was about the Modera Sun Temple and Rani Ki Vav, which has a detailed explanation about the architecture and the history of it. If you have still missed the episodes, do watch the same in the card that pops out now. Your support is the only chance of getting this video reaching into many more. As always, keep supporting and let's hit the road together one day. That fourth terminal is going to the jungle safari. So I've anyway come here, try to do that too. This is a safari. I think these are on. ₹200 is the ticket. The iguana, guys. I need to get this one for petting. Iguana, 100%. One is there here. It's getting warm down. Walking. All Nataraja service only. He said me somewhere there is lion and tiger there. This is a jungle safari.
તેમજ તેમને કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો ખોરાક આપવાની સખત મનાઈ છે. જો કોઈ પણ પ્રવાસી પ્રાણી કે પક્ષીઓને ઠંડી
आफ्रिकन लगली दिल्ली पाकिस्तानी जगह खाली का जो खाली
दूरी बनाવીને રાખો અને તેમને કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો ખોરાક આપશો નહીં. सरदार पटेल जूलॉजिकल पार्क में घूम रहे प्रवासियों के लिए खास सूचना: जू में किसी भी प्राणी और पक्षियों को ना छुएं और किसी भी प्रकार की खाने की चीजें ना दें. अगर कोई भी प्रवासी इस तरह की हरकत करते हुए पाया जाता है,
White line is peacefully sleeping. That's a white line. Sleeping. And next is the snake park. snake park. Where is the snake here? Bus, where are you? There it is. This is seriously good python. This should be this is Indian rock python. See that? What? Tegu. Argentina black and white tegu. Russell Viper.
आपको डिजाइन पसंद नहीं है शर्ट में? मैं टी-शर्ट लाकर बोला था ना उबड़ी उबड़ी सी आपको ये वाला पसंद नहीं आएगा आपको नया वाला दिखा रहा है
This is the same that we saw. These are iguanas. See that you see there. These are iguanas. There's one there also. Rat snakes. Turtles. Here is cobra. Too much of noise.
तो इसको पकड़ के रखना बेटा है ना
The search of electric is so nice. It's very and
मैडम
પેલા આ તો 20 રૂપિયા આ અત્યારે નહીં અમે 20 કે દીધી મંગાઈ ગયા છે અત્યારે નહીં 20 કે દીધી હતા 20 કે દીધી હતા નંબર તો દેની
there are a lot in this. Giraffes, hippopotamus, and zebras. Finally, I'm at the exit. Need to have some drinks, some cool drinks or water or something, whatever it is. Too much thirsty.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Karnataka. So guys, I've done with Statue of Unity. It's completed. You require entire day to watch Statue of Unity. It's Statue of Unity and Safari. Then it's almost. I came down here at 10 to 3 o'clock. It's almost the Safari that is done. So this entire day is required. Water boat if you want to enjoy water boat. And the entry ticket with the lift access is somewhere around 380 rupees and 200 rupees for the safari, and the speedboat and auto full day auto charges is somewhere 2000 rupees. The bus service also is included in the ticket that you buy, that's 380 rupees. The entire stretch of 9 kilometers is feeded with the bus itself. Cannot take your bikes or cars or whatever is there till the drop off point. This should be seen, guys. There are a lot of things inside to be seen. There are water activities, there are so many things like that. Even in the evening there are light shows also in the evening. This entire day you have to be here itself to watch. This entire full day is your Statue of Unity, should be your Statue of Unity. A lot of things. One day fully is required. Come down peacefully in the morning. There would be nobody there. Take photos in front of the Statue of Unity. There are photographers who take it. They print it as soon as then and there itself. If you come early in the morning, there would be nobody there. No disturbance. This is the entire day. This should be your entire day plan, not your half day plan or such. As I have seen. So to roam around, you have to keep enough of water bottle. You have to keep enough of strength in your legs. So a few little walking in the safari here and there. Okay, only few parts are taken in the electric car. All Gubats have. A lot is there to watch here, guys. A lot. So this should be your entire day plan, nothing else. This is what I suggest you. keep a day for Statue of Unity. Don't go anywhere else. I'm totally tired, so my feet are already paining. So I'm somehow driving. So it's 1300 kilometers. 2:45 p.m. I'll be reaching. Then tomorrow to 2:45 p.m. Okay. So this is a ETA that it is giving. You have to ride the entire night and day. Reaching by tomorrow. Do watch my previous episodes also. Keep supporting us always. Thanks. So guys, now please count this. 1000, 2400 plus 1400. So it's 2800 plus 1000, 3800, 4000 kilometers. Roughly, rounding about. So plus and minus here and there, we roamed for the hotels, searching for hotels. We went inside, we went outside. So many things we had done. So counting all those things, it's 4000 kilometers. So this is the proof, guys. I'm showing you the proof. I don't want to say anything above that. I did 5000 kilometers, 6000 kilometers. No, I've driven only 4000 kilometers. That's all. What I have to drive is 1300, 400 here, and 2000. This is what. पूरा क्लास गया? पूरा क्लास गया? हाँ? कैसे हो गया?
गाड़ी
स्लिप हो गया? ब्रेक? नींद
में वो ये आया था, भैंस आया था रोड के ऊपर,
पूरा गया, कोई एक भी बचा नहीं है क्या? ये इंश्योरेंस का? हाँ,
इंश्योरेंस
इस ग्लास का इंश्योरेंस था? तो परवाह नहीं,
कराएगा।
अब गाड़ी निकलना है ना?
ठीक है, क्रेन आया है।
इसलिए क्रेन आया है। कोई भी आदमी कुछ नहीं,
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
कितना लोग था गाड़ी के अंदर? कितना लोग? कहाँ? ये एक
और वो एक नीचे।
कुछ चोट नहीं लगा?
किधर?
कर्नाटका?
कर्नाटका कौन सा गाँव?
हाँ,
कौन सा गाँव? कर्नाटक
दासरಳ್ಳಿ, यशवंतपुर सुना है? वहाँ पे। चलो भाई, निकल रहा, मैं गुजरात करके आ रहा हूँ, निकलता हूँ। कैमरा चल रहा हो?
कैमरा चल रहा है।
चलो भाई, निकलता हूँ आराम से। लॉरी गॉन इनसाइड।